Greetings everybody, this is a quick video to show you the new backup and restore feature that was added in version 2.1.0. You can locate the feature by going up to the menu in the upper right hand corner, and you'll find up the backup and restore here. Then when the page loads, you initially will not see anything here. But creating a backup is simply as easy as going to create backup and then reading the little notice here and then creating backup again. And then you will see it will show up here locally on the Pi. And the backup will have the call sign of the repeater, the data information, and time information, and it will have a .orp extension for OpenRepeater project. Now you can leave them locally on the Pi, and you can basically treat it as a snapshot. So if you're messing with some settings and you want to change something or you mess something up, you can always come back to a backup point and just click the restore button here. You could also download the backup as well, and you see it's downloaded here. And then if you have an offline backup and you want to restore it to that Pi, or if you want to restore it to another Pi of the same version, you can go upload offline backup. I'm just going to drag my file in here from my local machine and upload. And you'll see, since I have a file with the same name, it already existed. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to rename it here. I'm going to put a B on the end. I'll do upload again. Drag it on over. Upload. And you'll see it has appeared in the local library. And restoring is simple as clicking the restore button. It's going to check some stuff such as the version and the date of the backup. And a call sign, it will want you to validate that is correct. Then you just click restore and just wait a little bit, and all the settings are restored back to where they were. And then it's just going to ask you to rebuild and restart the repeater as you typically would. And you should be back up and running with all the settings that you had for your modules, your settings for the OpenRepeater, any custom audio files that you uploaded for identifications or courtesy tones should be backed up as well as the ALSA mixer settings. And that's it for backup and restore. Thank you.